Have you ever worried that someone you love might receive an inheritance and blow through it too quickly? That is a real concern for a lot of families. Maybe the beneficiary is young, maybe they are not great with money, maybe there are concerns about creditors, divorce, lawsuits, addiction, or outside influence. Whatever the reason, the question is this: can you control how your beneficiaries spend their inheritance? I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're going to break that down in a way that's simple and practical. If you leave assets outright through a basic will or through a joint account, that money may go directly to the beneficiary. Once they receive it, it is usually theirs to spend. That may work just fine for some people, but for others, it can create problems. That is where a trust can help. A trust gives you more control than a simple will. You can set the rules for how and when money is distributed, and you can name a trustee to carry out those instructions. For example, you may choose to delay distributions until a certain age. You may distribute funds in stages, or you may allow money to be used for things like education, housing, medical care, or basic support. You can also include protections. A spendthrift provision may help protect the inheritance from creditors, lawsuits, or the beneficiary's own poor spending habits. It can also help prevent someone from pledging the inheritance as collateral or draining it too quickly. In some cases, a lifetime trust or discretionary trust may make sense. That allows the inheritance to be managed over a longer period of time, and it gives the trustee flexibility to decide when distributions should be made. Now, choosing the right trustee is a big deal. This person or professional needs to be responsible, fair, organized, and willing to follow the instructions in the trust. The bottom line is this: you do not have to leave an inheritance with no strings attached. You can leave a plan that protects the money, protects the beneficiary, and helps make sure your wishes are followed. If you want to leave an inheritance with more protection and intention, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll help you build a plan that fits your family and protects what matters most. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.